Let's make colorful earrings to match this bracelet in 5 easy steps. The link to the bracelet video and the matching necklace are linked in the description. Let's get started. Here's the drop beaded earring that we'll be making. Step 1 is to plan your earring project. I mentioned I want it to coordinate with my bracelet and this Frida Kahlo charm necklace. So I want to use similar beads and colors. When you're planning your project, you'll need beads, wire nipper, flat nose or chain nose pliers for gripping and holding, and round nose pliers for curving and bending the wire. The type of earpieces that I chose are drop pieces. You can also have earrings that have a closed loop that you'll be putting your beads onto. You'll be putting the beads on with a head pin such as this. One step of planning your project is to use the same size beads on each earring. Even the same type of beads can be different sizes. My name is Kathleen Arola-Johnson. I have videos here for you at Creative Solace Studios, and I'd love to create with you on Skillshare as well. Look me up. After you've planned your project, the next thing is to assemble your beads onto the head pin. I've already completed one, so I'm just following the same pattern onto this second earring. The next step, step number 3, is a little unusual. It's something that you might not think of right away. Step number 3 is go to a mirror. Hold this up to your ear. See if you actually like it when you see yourself wearing it or looking like you're wearing it. Adjust the beads if necessary, and if you like the order, keep them as is. Step number 4 is to create the loop so that we can attach it onto the earring itself. I'm taking chain nose or flat nose pliers and bending the tail of that wire into a 90-degree angle. If you happen to be using an earpiece that has a loop on it, like the part that isn't the dragonfly, now is the time to put this wire through that loop and complete the rest of the steps as I'm doing. I don't have a loop on this piece that's closed, so that's why I'm not doing it right now. To complete the loop, grab a hold of your wire and with the round nose pliers, bend it around into a circle. This wire is soft enough that I can do part of this with my hands also. Sometimes you have to wiggle it around enough to get a nice loop. The last step is to twist this tail around the part of the wire that is above the beads and below that circle. So right here, I think this is soft enough that I could do it with my hands. So I'm holding the loop while I'm twisting the tail. You decide how many twists around there you want to make. When there's a little tail sticking off here, use your wire nippers, your wire cutters, and snip that off. Again, if you have this type of a earpiece, it'll already be connected and you're done. I'm being sneaky. I chose this piece Again, the nickel free because I'm allergic to nickel. And I liked this so much that I did it just a little bit loose, not a lot, but just a little bit, so that I will be able to slip it on and off, and I will be able to exchange this part with different earrings, so I can use the earpiece with different earrings. It's good practice to measure your two earrings against each other to see if they are the same length before wearing them. Thank you for spending creative time with me today as we created colorful beaded drop earrings to complete the trio of the easy DIY bracelet, the Frida Kahlo charm necklace, and now these drop earrings. I'm Kathleen Arola-Johnson here at Creative Solace Studios. Leave a message and let me know what this inspired you to create. I can't wait to hear what creative ventures you've been up to, and I look forward to seeing you in another video together. Thanks for spending time together today.